What's up, boys and girls? Sam Gas back. We're in the middle of Wisconsin. We're in this Honda, got 1,000 horsepower and 8 seats. Heading up to Iowa.
Subscribe to Sam Gas.
What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Go get your merch. Link in the description as always. Cruise control, gang, and this B word. You know what I mean? Sam Gas! Hey, look it up. Film that. Sam Gas, Walmart. They sponsor. Hey, I'm sponsored by Walmart, Sam Gas. Sam's Club is Sam Gas's club. I don't know if you know that.
Oh yeah.
Sus Gas, wife's friend. Yeah.
Sam Gas. I'm on a B7 flip.
Sam Gas.
Sam Gas. You guys might recognize me. I've had this car for like 12 years.
He's not even 12 years old yet.
Because you need.
No.
Oh man, dude, blue is.
I'm gonna play it really safe. Damn it.
Print it out for you inside.
Pictures off.
Yeah, this sucks.
Yeah, we're back in Minnesota.
Broken. You got a mini soda.
So we
give it to me.
just in case it's like not a straight rolling.
Sam Gas back. We made it. We made it. Check this view out, guys. This is sick. This is sick. Wish everyone a happy new year. You know, this is awesome. I love this type of stuff, this country type stuff. This is so cool to me. Got my buddy exploring. He's freaking insane. You know, it's winter here, but we're still preheating the grill. We're about to do some grilling. You know, we don't care. We don't care how cold it is. We don't care about none. You know, look at this though. It'd be so funny if I dropped my phone right now, but look at that. That's insane. Love it. Alright guys, everyone have a happy new year. I don't know if I'm gonna turn the camera on again or not, but have a happy new year from Sam Gas from the middle of Iowa. Have fun and yeah, see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Sam Gas.